You might have things to do, but why not do the things you need to do and make it fun? Today we're going to unblah my work coveralls with some paint markers. And I just wanted to show you that this is something simple that you can do on anything, whether it's a tote bag or an apron or a jacket or anything. Don't be afraid to just go for it. You can look up some simple things that you can paint on Pinterest, whether it's flowers or swirls or even dots. And you don't have to do much. I don't have to cover my coveralls in dots in order for it to be cool, although that would be really cool. I could make this entire coveralls a large polka dot pattern, and I think that would be really nice. But today I'm just going to add a little bit of spice. And I only have these three colors. I have brown, blue, and orange. So I really wanted to limit myself to something that is kind of boring. I would prefer if I had pink and yellow, but this is what I have, so this is what we're going to do. And I want to show you how big of a difference that's going to make. But first, let me show you what we're working with. I had to buy these at an extra large size because I needed coveralls, and this is all they had at my local hardware store. They're used coveralls. They're in size 48 long. That's for a man. So you can see that I need to cut off the ankles to be the proper length on me. It's always going to be wide, but that's okay because I never know what kind of clothes I'm going to need to put underneath it. And I'm going to do a video really soon on what I do put on underneath my coveralls because we're going to talk about gardening a bit. But right now, we're just going to decorate these and make them look good. And this is what it looks like right now. Let's roll up our sleeves and go. But as far as the legs go, I think those do need a chopping. And I'm just going to cut these. There's not going to be any hemming here. They're just going to naturally fray. And that's all right for this work outfit. And already this is so much better, so much more workable. Let's get to painting. I think that the thing that people get wrong about fabric paint and decorating is they go a little too wild. They use too many colors and they try to do too much pattern. And the thing I want to show you today is that with fabric paint, just a little bit goes a long way. Choose your design details that matter to you. I love flowers, cats, vines, swirly elements, and dots, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm no artist. This is for me. And that's the great thing about it is it's for you. No one has to judge this art. Okay, I'm going to start with some dots on the edge of this collar. And they don't have to be perfectly placed. Just be random and fun. I think that's the most important thing. Just be fun. And that was a fun and fast thing to do. I'd like to do something decorative on one sleeve. And maybe I'll just do the front since that's all I'm going to see. Let's do some flowers here. Blue flowers, who cares? I'm sure there's blue flowers somewhere. And I don't care that these flowers are blue. I'd rather they be red, but I have blue. So we just do what we have sometimes. No measuring, just doing. Just have fun. And for this pocket here, I think I would like two little kitten ears popping out of the pocket to remember all of the foster kittens that I've raised. Definitely not perfect, but who cares? That's gonna make me laugh. They look a tiny bit angry, but whatever. Okay, so we've got the kittens, we've got the flowers on the sleeves, and we've got the polka dots on the collar, and that's enough. I lied. I also added little hearts and polka dots to this pocket because I thought the kittens deserved that. So now I have something that's going to make me smile every time I put it on, and every time I see those kittens, I'm going to laugh. I think I'll even go back through with lighter colors and make these flowers more visible. I really enjoy them, but right now they're very subtle. I really like these craft fabric pens because they really allow you more control than your usual squeezy paints. But these pens are so much easier to get what you want out of your design because sometimes the squeezy paints, they splutter and splat and they do things that you don't mean them to do. These pens do exactly what you want them to do. And now I have something that is functional, but it also tickles me. Down below in the description, I'm going to find some tutorials to make easy patterns with craft paint. In case you have some tablecloths, tote bags, aprons, coveralls that you need to unblah. Tell me in the comments what you're going to do. I'll see you soon.